Hello everyone and welcome back to my new journey episode. In this episode, I'm going to share all that things that I did for 6 to 7 months because for last 6 to 7 months I did not release any journey video. There were some reasons behind that, but now I am in the position to see see share my last 6 to 7 months journey experience and what I did in the 6 to 7 months period. It's have been 1 year that I am preparing for the civil services, and I am now think that I am mature enough to share what I had done and what I am going to do in the upcoming days. So I'm going to appear for the attempt of 2022, and I have prepared my all the plans and all the planning done according to same years and appearing to that year. So let's without wasting time get started. First thing that I wanted to share that in the last 7 to 8 months what I did, then I will share what are my future plans. First thing that is what I did. So in the last 7 to 8 months I try to cover as much as I can the syllabus of UPSC. And as I show you in the last video, I had printed the syllabus, and most of the syllabus I am now aware of that. I also analyzed some previous year questions of the mains as well as the pre of relative subject sets. And one thing, let's go by subject. First I would like to talk about the history, and particularly ancient and medieval history. As you know that ancient and medieval history is not that much important as medieval history, modern history in UPSC exam. So at the when the exams are approaching, it's not worth to spend lot much time on this ancient and medieval. That's why I jot down some notes from the R.S. Sharma and Tamil Nadu. By combining, I will show you some notes of my ancient and medieval. Because what why I did this, because when the exams are coming, you don't have time that much to read your whole NCRTs. So from the sources that I refer for these notes is, one is the R.S. Sharma, second is Tamil Nadu textbook. Both are available on net. If you can see that, here are some notes I that recorded, that I jot down. And this have taken me more than 1 month, but I'm sure that I'm not going to refer any source beyond my notes. For what is my future plan regarding to this subject is that add some relevant facts from the test series that I'm going to give in the future, and just add done value addition to these notes, and prefer only these notes instead of buying any coaching's material. I'm going to refer these notes only. So this was about the ancient and medieval. Second is that modern history. I just bought spectrum for the I just bought the spectrum and read half, not fully. I covered most of the parts of the spectrum related to 18 till the 1857. I read that much from the spectrum, and I'm going to read it also, remaining part also. Let's So that was the about the modern history, but I am aware about the chronological events happening, but I am not comfortable with the facts and figures are given in, because it have lots of fact. So presently I am not able to condense all the information given in that, but I am in the position to understand what they have given. And also I have previously suggested you that the lectures available on the Imran sites that I had previously completed. Next thing at that, I guys wanted to show you that I had notes of the geography from the NCRT, and the notes available of the Rushikesh Dudat sir. It is available on the Telegram and also other channels. You can access that. I and I value added. I first I take the Rushikesh Dudas sir's as my base source, and then I did some value addition from the NCERT. I think that Rushikesh Dudhar sir has left, but there was not much things that Rushikesh Dudhar sir have left. He have covered all the geography very intensively, and I I did these notes collected in this spiral, and I also anchored some here. If you can see that I had also used some sticky notes to compartmentalize the notes. As you see, you can continental drift, rocks, applied part, mass movements, climate. I also compartmentalize this syllabus into different parts. So that was the regarding to GS1 and GS2. As I previously mentioned, I read once Lakshmikant, but after reading that, I found that I most of the aware about the concept, but there are facts that not I'm not rectified all the facts. I left out the facts. I not clear that much facts, and I have planned if in the upcoming years I will once again pick up that books, and I'm going to use that source only for my upcoming exams. That was about the GS1 and GS2. There is a social another topic is social justice, and that I covered from the visions. The Smriti Shah ma'am's notes, you can easily get that from the Telegram or something like that, and she have very well covered all the topics related to social justice like poverty, unemployment, and inequality, hunger, and she have very well covered. I don't think that any material needed for beyond the Smriti Shah's ma'am's notes and the current events happening. That was about GS2 polity and governance part. I am not covered governance part. I am not seen anything about the governance. I will cover in the upcoming days. About GS3, the economics, I has previously mentioned that the Mrunal sir's video I had completed. I also seen some basic concept, aware about myself basic concept from the online videos available on the Telegram and YouTube. You can easily get that also. So that was the GS3, and I not even touch GS4. I not seen anything about GS4 in the GS3 disaster management. I also covered that from the Rushikesh Dudhar sir, which I have previously mentioned. Rushikesh Dudhar sir have taken I think 2 to 3 lectures regarding to disaster management in the geography itself, and that have given me some kind of idea, but I think that is not sufficient. I have to do some value addition to that also, but in upcoming days I will that do. That was about the, and one thing is about the internal security. Internal security I did from the Jatin Gupta, the notes available, class notes of Jatin Gupta sirs, and also the some materials of Drishti. So I combined both. I downloaded Drishti material. I had the Jatin Gupta's class notes, and I'm going to now combine all two and form my own notes from these two sources by using these two sources, so that I should at the time of exam there is no need to run here and there for the mains. So that was by and large what I had did for last couple of months. Second thing I wanted to share with you guys, that what are my future plans. I think I will share that in the upcoming month, upcoming video.